Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In today's video, we are going to see bar plots. So, in the last video, we have seen advanced plot types in which we have covered scatter plots, and today we'll cover bar plots. So, bar plots are a type of data visualization that represents categorical data using rectangular bars, and the length or height of each bar is proportional to the value it represents. The bar plots are useful for comparing different categories, showing trends, and visualizing frequency distribution. Now we'll see types of bar plots. So basically, firstly we have vertical plot. So in vertical plot, bars are aligned vertically, used when category labels are short. Means if we need to create short category label bars, we use vertical plot. And second is horizontal plot. So horizontal plot are bars that are aligned horizontally, useful when category labels are long. And the third is stacked bar plot. So these categories are stacked on top of each other, showing the composition of a whole. And the fourth one is grouped bar plot. So grouped bar plot are grouped side by side to compare multiple categories across different groups. So in this video, firstly we'll see vertical plot. So we'll see how we can create a vertical bar plot. So before starting that, firstly we need to import matplotlib. So for that we need to write import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. So this imports the matplotlib.pyplot library and assign it as plt. So matplotlib.pyplot is used for creating and customizing plots in Python. So now we'll see the categories. And now we will see values. So here categories contains label for the bars and value contains numerical values corresponding to each category. So now we will create a bar plot. So for creating that we need to write plt.bar and we'll write here categories and values, and whatever color we want to give to the bar we can write. So this will create a bar plot where X will be the categories, set the label on the X axis, and Y will be the values that determines the height of each bar, and color we have set as blue. So now we'll label and title and give the title. So for that we'll write plt.xlabel and whatever label we want to give we can give. So I am giving as categories, and as same we need to label the y-axis also. So we'll write plt dot y label and we'll label it as values. And now we'll give a title to the bar. So we'll write plt dot title and we can give a suitable title. So we'll give it bar plot example or vertical plot example. So here plt.x label, this labels the x-axis as categories, and plt.y label, this labels the y-axis as values, and plt.title, this adds a title to the graph. Now nextly we'll show the plot. So for that we need to write plt.show, and plt.show renders the plot and displays it in a window of notebook. So now we can check. So here we have created a vertical bar plot which looks like this. The values are given here and the categories are given here. So this was the example of vertical plot. Now we can see the example of same as horizontal plot also. So we will see. So basically both are same, just we need to change the axis. So we'll see it also. So for that we can work on the same code, we just have to make some changes in it. So in this we only have to write h to make this graph horizontal, and we have changed its color also. So now we'll check this. Hence it has created a horizontal graph. So that's it for today's video. In the next video we'll see stacked bar plot and grouped bar plot. So thanks for watching this video.